everyone, it's me again. Today I wanna share you about a topic, houseplant home makeover. So let's get started. One, an invisible garden for my desk. Giorgio Awal may have written of the expedition as fatally suburban, but says Cathy, they are the chill-out housemate of the flying world, relies about temperature, watering and area. My Arctic office room is hot and dry in summer, but cold in winter, so I need plant that can cope with temperature change. The golden portals is another torch or rather that anyone can grow, said Cathy. On to the shopping list is goals. To have these Abyss discharge take-off is from GMH. Cathy suggests putting it in a modern tin. I choose an old oil can that I get from a restaurant. I dim it with a cordyceps, a philodendron, an ivy and cactus, and a succulent. Also put in colorful containers. I'm convinced it will encourage me to spend more time at my desk. 2. A hanging basket for a corner. My crown hanging baskets are the second outmode trend that Cathy is determined to reveal, and she says it will add interest to the corner of my sitting room. She picks a Boston fern for the micram, as they are one of the best houseplants for removing unpleasant chemicals like formaldehyde from the air. I attach the micram to the ceiling using wall flung, skewers and a hoe and chain. 3. A step ladder of succulent. Teddy gives a quick diagnosis to my set Olo. He outgrew his board, she said, showing me the tangle of roots escaping through the bottom. He's also lopsided, and Cathy advised me to ride him. When I move him into his new home, we decide I can use an old step ladder for display and that I should organize the allow with other types of succulent. I choose a colorful pot from Habitat and some vintage terracotta pots from eBay. Always drop plants in 3 and 5, Cathy tells me. It is the gardener's oldest trick. The makeover is complete, the house transformed. I promise Cathy I will wipe the dust of the plant, at least every couple of weeks. Mix them regularly with a sprayer and try not to kill them with kindness. For a desktop garden, take any large jar, a fancy storage jar, or an old container and wash it well. Then fill the bottom to sandy, also with pebbles. Add a little houseplant compost, about 5 cm or so. If you have a lid for your jar, you can make a closed terrarium. The best plant for this are mosses, ferns, and uplands. It is important you open the lid once a week for air circulation. You should rarely, if ever, need to water. The plant will provide their own moisture. Add more peppers, more people, castor, little nurseries, whatever your miniature gourd needs. 5. A pitfish plant with pots. Thailand share add plants are tiny aphids. 5. A plant that derives its moisture and nutrients from the air, whose roots never sit on soil. Instead, they live above the ground, growing on whatever they can. I've seen them on shelves, hanging glass, purples, and tree wood. If they're going to survive, they'll need good light, plan of air circulation, and to be mixed until they drip 2 to 4 times a week. Okay, so if you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you later.